Banana stems are collected only after fruit harvesting, ensuring the raw biological input is recovered without impacting food yield. Each plant is tracked by age, variety, and condition to ensure consistent fiber characteristics. Harvest timing is controlled tightly, as moisture loss and microbial activity begin immediately after cutting. Only material within defined freshness limits is released into the processing system.
Clear the scale.
Weight at 950.
Get these stems onto the conveyor quickly.
Harvested stems are sorted at source by diameter, integrity, and maturity, separating premium and standard grades early. Transport is scheduled to minimize delay, with temperature control used to slow degradation. Digital documentation links each load to its origin and cut time. This preserves fiber quality and maintains traceability before factory intake. Incoming material is verified against digital harvest records for weight, time, and quality grade. Moisture content, cut condition, and contamination risk are checked before acceptance. Any deviation is flagged immediately to prevent downstream losses. Only compliant material proceeds into controlled storage or direct processing. Outer layers are removed, and stems are split to expose individual sheath layers with different fiber qualities. Mechanical decortication separates usable fiber from plant tissue, recovering most of the mass as pulp. Process parameters are adjusted continuously to protect fiber length and strength. Residual biomass is diverted into energy recovery, keeping the system closed loop. Extracted fibers are washed, softened, and selectively treated to remove lignin, pectin, and residual impurities. Multi-stage rinsing ensures chemical neutrality before drying. Moisture reduction is performed in controlled steps to prevent brittleness or damage. At this stage, fiber stability and handling characteristics are defined. Drying systems reduce moisture to precise targets suitable for downstream processing. Fibers are then conditioned to restore flexibility before grading. Length, fineness, color, and strength are measured and classified. Each grade is batched, compressed, and tagged to maintain separation and value integrity. Selected fibers are blended, aligned, and progressively refined through carding, drawing, and spinning. Sensors monitor uniformity, tension, and defect rates throughout the process. Yarn is inspected, conditioned, and tested against strength and consistency specifications. Only conforming output is packaged for textile manufacturing. Shorter fibers are diverted into pulping systems requiring fewer chemicals than wood-based processes. Fiber dispersion, refining, and forming are controlled to achieve target paper and molded packaging properties. Water and material are continuously recycled. This ensures all usable fiber fractions are converted into functional outputs.
We've diverted nearly 3,000 tons
Finished
of banana
materials
stems,
undergo
replacing
mechanical,
over 8 million
optical,
pieces of plastic
chemical,
packaging.
And this data is
and
completely
microbiological testing based on end use. Sampling follows statistical controls to detect drift or process instability. Non-conforming batches trigger root cause analysis and corrective action. Quality data remains linked to the original production source.
Route confirmed.
Final outputs
Deliveries
are
to
packaged
Asia,
according to
Europe,
transport
and the
regulatory
Americas.
requirements, with full documentation attached. Inventory systems maintain batch identity through storage and shipment. From production source to finished output, every stage remains monitored and auditable. This closes the loop on controlled, industrial-scale material transformation.
It's incredibly durable, naturally antibacterial, and completely biodegradable when you're finished.
Yeah.
It comes from banana stems that would otherwise be waste after fruit harvest.
Here are your eco-friendly yarns. Have a great day.
Thank you, I will. This banana paper is amazing. It's been so popular.
Oh my God, I'm excited to try it.